Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 6th of February, 2019. Time right now, 9:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. The stock market basically lower, nothing major, but backing off a little bit. The dollar higher, still weighing on the gold and silver, whereas the copper market, I think, is looking over and saying, you know, we're not far away from a U.S.-Chinese trade talk. And maybe you've got to build premium in that something good is happening there. That's what I expect is going on at that part. If you looked at the day's API number last night, it was bearish for the crude. Now the question is, will the EIA come out and negate that? That comes out in about 5 minutes, so we'll get an idea what that does. More of a run to the upside in the cocoa. Looks like there's a bit of short covering. We're at a pretty important area here at the 2240. A lower close today would look like today was a blow-off day to the upside. In the soybean market, very flat, just holding on, but holding on beautifully. You realize this market has really made up a lot of ground. And now with China right over the horizon, is there going to be a breakthrough in the trade talks? Where do you go? Don't know. What we're all looking at, of course, are the bonds and notes. They're still acting very strong as interest rates continue to slip ever so slowly. The president, of course, had his State of the Union last night. It went as it went. How's that? There was nothing exciting. He did not declare the national emergency. If you get my market report, I said he gets a free bite of the apple. Why would he do that? If he wants to, you wait until Friday or Saturday. You see what the House and the Senate Committee for the Budget's putting together. Are they putting any money in there for him or not? If you want to get mad and try that tactic, then you do it at that point in time. And you also have the threat of not reopening the government. There's many things that are open to the president right here. That's pretty much what I'm seeing in the markets. There's not a lot more. In terms of the news, the Conference Board Online Help Index, 102 from a prior revised 101.6 from a 101.7, so good number. International trade deficit, in our favor, folks. Yes, it's a deficit of 49.3, but we expected 54.3. The prior month was 55.7. November imports were up 209.9, but that was down, if you look at the percentage, 0.6, down from a prior 1/10. Imports were 259.2 billion, down 2.9%. Prior was up 0.2%. Fourth quarter non-farm productivity, don't get too messed up with this. We don't get all the numbers here because when the government was shut down, but it's a good number. 2.2%, they expected 1.5, and the Census Bureau says that in November, the crude oil exports from the U.S. were up to 2.609 million barrels a day from 2.3, so we're adding about 300,000 barrels a day during that time frame, which is pretty interesting, and that's what's weighing also on the oil prices. Now, one of the things that I love to do, and I think you're aware of it, is teach. And I have a charting course that I put together that I'm always updating. And when I say always update, every few years I go through this course, and I did it last year, and I update this from top to bottom. And what I do is I walk you through the way that I create a chart. So you're going to learn swing lines, slow stochastics, the way that I teach them. These are not your traditional ways, believe me. You're going to learn the tricks and tools of Bollinger Bands as I teach them. Something you don't see here in my daily videos are window envelopes, and they're a very powerful tool. You're going to learn when a chart comes together what to do as it starts looking like that, and you're getting that in a number of the soft commodities right now. Then the daily numbers that come in so that you can plot the window envelopes. My written updates, they'll give you buy here, sell there. The morning video, which I think is so important, and everything is online. So you're not sitting there with CDs, you're not worrying about other parts. You get the charting software you're going to get for your pocket. You're going to get our mobile app that works on both your Android and iPhones, everything thrown in. I think the course is now $169.95, right in that range. All you need to do is give us a call. You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Look under the word education. You will see the charting course. You owe it to yourself. It's about 50 hours of videos. You see what I do, you do the same thing, and then I bring you up in the morning to the current charts every day, and we're going to review 40 charts in there for you as well. I think you'll get a handle on the game plan very, very fast. I know I've had a lot of people take the course over the years, and it's been a lot of very positive feedback. In the meantime, you can click up here if you're watching me on YouTube, go to the website or call my staff. They'll get it done for you. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a great morning. I will see you in the end of the day videos. Take care.